oddball. I've always been an oddball and a square peg in a round hole. My background is technology, and I wanted to learn more about business. I've always had the desire to create businesses and to make new things. So I came for an open house, and it was kind of the hook. I had considered law school, I had considered a number of other things, but this was close to home. It was very affordable. It fit in with my job at the time. The Rutgers MBA program was phenomenal, just in terms of understanding economics. Absolutely 100% understanding economics and the value. It's like the psychology of money and how it impacts everything, whether it's on a macro scale or on a micro scale. Supply, demand, all those pieces, how they fit together. It was transformative in helping me understand why we do things the way we do and how we can make things better.